Do you know what are the sources of history? Yes, of course, there are four sources of history, that is written source, material source, oral source, and sources in the audiovisual medium. So let's learn about the written sources. The written sources are as per the following. It may consider diaries, postage stamps, government gadgets, correspondence, newspaper, documents in the archives. Do you know where the important historical documents are preserved and what it is called? My dear student, the historical documents which are preserved, that place is known as archives. In India, the National Archives is in New Delhi. The important thing about it is that it is the largest archives in the Asia. Now, about the second example of the newspaper, we are going to learn as a written source of history. Newspapers are considered as the fourth pillar of democracy. Why it is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy, do you know? Because it is considered as major medium of information. What does it contain? It contains national and international affairs, that is subjects, politics, art, sports, literature, and social and cultural affairs. Do you know in what form newspapers are published? They are published in various forms, that is dailies, weeklies, monthly, and annual magazines. Through the special supplement which is published at the end of year, having many important events. Do you know the other source of written source of modern history? It is PTI. What do you mean by PTI? PTI is nothing but Press Trust of India. After 1953, very important source of primary detail of important events has become the provider to the newspaper. PTI mainly provides reports, photographs, articles on financial and scientific issues.